In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use N8N, a powerful automation tool designed for both beginners and experienced users alike. So whether you're just starting out or looking to hone your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials step by step. To get started, navigate to n8n.cloud in your web browser. Once there, you should see a button labeled Start Automating. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you into the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to click on Create Workflow. This is where you'll begin building your very first automation workflow. Initially, you'll see an empty canvas. Look for a plus button or the option to add first step and select it. This is how you'll start adding the individual tasks or nodes that make up your workflow. For today's example, let's search for Gmail in the node options. You'll want to select the onMessage received trigger, which will start the workflow whenever a new Gmail message arrives. To set this up, you'll need to click on Credentials to link your Gmail account to N8N. Create new credentials using OAuth2, as it's the recommended authentication method. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection with your Gmail account, and remember to check the necessary tick boxes and select all permissions that N8N requests. Once the setup is complete, go back to your workflow. Your first node is now ready and waiting for new email messages. Next, you'll want to add some filters. Click on Add Filter, then search for options like Attachments or Unread Status, so only specific messages trigger the workflow. To proceed, click Execute this node to test it and see if everything runs as expected. Go back to the canvas and add another node. Let's say you want to mark messages as read after they trigger the automation. Find and add the Mark a Message as Read node, and connect it to your previous Gmail node. Back on the main canvas, you can continue adding nodes to expand your workflow, such as basic LLM chain, adding prompts, or even open router chat model to handle different message scenarios based on your preferences. As you do this, you'll input necessary details, type names, or IDs, and define the parameters for your nodes. Finally, make use of the canvas to keep your nodes organized and review each step of your automation to ensure you achieve your desired outcomes. N8N offers extensive documentation, so feel free to refer to it whenever you need more detailed explanations. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create a basic automation workflow using N8N. Keep experimenting with different nodes and configurations to unlock the full potential of what you can automate. Thanks for watching and happy automating.